Hi, I'm Joe Rodriguez, and I want to thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. The Tseng College for Graduate International and Professional Education at California State University, Northridge offers a variety of master's degrees, professional certificates, and bachelor's completion degrees designed specifically for mid-career professionals just like you. The programs we offer span a variety of fields including health, business, education, public administration, human services, and many more. Our students can immediately apply what they learn in the classroom today in the real world tomorrow. Through the coursework, we provide hands-on training that employers are looking for and will help students to get ahead or change careers. And since we know you are busy working adults and have families, we provide one-on-one support and guaranteed enrollment in all classes. We offer the ultimate flexibility so students can take classes online at our Northridge campus or at any of our off-site locations throughout Southern California. So enjoy our videos, and we look forward to welcoming you to the CSUN family. Go Matadors!